Live with Gopinath ji from South. Welcome to Talk Biz. Today we are talking about health, handsome, and how to continue with a good body and presentation. So let us wait for few friends to join. Hi Gopinath ji. So let me connect Gopinath ji first so we can have a good time. How are you all? Yes, do join. Hi.
Hi, finally.
Finally.
Yeah.
So Gopi is there with us to play his flute. There was somebody. Hi Abhijit, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. So my first question to such a handsome guy is, how do you keep yourself so fit? That was my first question.
I believe a good body is made in the kitchen. So I watch what I eat. That's the basic. And I work out without any lame excuse. I work out for myself. So I try to find motivation within myself. So I work out every day, which is very consistent for years. It has been right now. So I believe the diet and the fitness regime that I follow has worked a lot in keeping me fit.
Wonderful. You know what, Gopi? I am most of the time audition jury in most of the event across Gujarat. And one thing I see in boys, those people who are very feeble, very weak, not presentable, they plan audition, they get rejected, and then they feel bad, low confident. I really want you to talk about, if I'm intending to win a pageant or a modeling show as a boy, as a male, what exactly should be the steps?
All right. That's a nice question. I believe a lot of aspiring models would really love to hear what is really needed to become a model. Okay, modeling is nothing but a personality who is going to inspire a lot of people, irrespective of height, color, religion, region, country, or whatever the classification is. He is a model who sets an example. He represents a large mass of population. So modeling it's like any other job which requires a lot of preparation, hard work, and homework before attending any interview. Any interview. When I say interview, an audition for modeling, they have to do a lot of homework in terms of grooming, staying confident, the communication. Not English is always preferred. However, you should have a good language, a good communication where you can convey your thoughts. That is how you're going to inspire a lot of people. When you do not have a good communication, then obviously you wouldn't be able to do it. So you have to work on your communication. You have to work on your grooming skills. When it comes to the men, there is no set example for a good-looking man. But however, a groomed man will always be an outstanding personality. It's a thin line difference between a normal looking man and a groomed looking man. You can have a spotted beard, you can have any variety of hairstyle, but you should know how to carry yourself. So for this, you need to do a lot of homework, a lot of preparations. You need to know how to face the camera, how to face the questions, how to face the people. Stay confident throughout, and the body language matters a lot. So your body language.
Wonderful.
Yeah. So all these are the few key points that I can think of right now, where you can work on before attending any modeling auditions.
Wonderful, Gopi. You did so well with the question because nobody wants to do any preparation. See, without preparation, expecting the best just in audition, you won't believe, Gopi. I had 2-3 times I have encountered the arguments of participant while communication. Why not me, Poojaji? What do you think? So the first answer of you is the keyword preparation. Number two, modeling is a profession, a respectable earning opportunity. It's not a time pass, my dear friend.
That's right.
So that Gopi also made it very clear. And third word which I loved from you was consistency. Right? Gopi, nobody wants to do consistent hard work. Like today I am started, tomorrow I want success. So
right.
wonderful.
Everybody wants to be a model, but nobody wants to work for it.
Absolutely.
Nobody wants to put efforts for it.
Absolutely. Gopi, how long did you take to reach here where you are at this point of time? How long? How long is the journey?
All right. So this, the modeling ambition, it wasn't right from the childhood, to be honest. It was in the middle of the journey of my profession. So when I have to quantify the number of years, I would say 4 to 5 years of various stages that I have to learn, experience, and excel to reach this point. So
wow.
Together 4 to 5 years, yeah.
Once again, I would love to hear that statement once again. Learn,
experience, and excel.
Wow. Learn, experience, and excel. To excel something, the basic 2 steps must be followed, my dear friends. See, when we see Gopi on the screen, we always utter a one word, wow, you are so lucky. Are you lucky or you are a hardworking person? Are you lucky?
Okay, I would say luck doesn't play a role here. It is all your hard work and your efforts. Hard work with consistency only will pay effort. People would have so many things to talk behind your back, talking about your luck, your money, your status, and everything. But that is not going to get you to the heights. That may get you a day of showcase or a 2. However, to reach the heights, you will definitely need to work hard. I cannot just pay off, or I cannot just show my luck and come to this position, and still people think, oh, this guy doesn't even look like a model. How did he become a Mr. India? So that doesn't work like that. Hard work matters. That's going to show up in every bits and pieces of your body moves.
Absolutely. See, when a female or a male, like in our industry, we both are title winner, the first reaction of people is, this is paid. Like, this is absolutely the first reaction. This is paid. So I really wanna know, even though if this is paid, why can't everyone get this award? Whoever are talking, why not?
Exactly. There are a lot of millionaires out there with a lot of interests. Everyone whoever can afford it can become a successful person, which is not the case. In reality, hard work plays a role. Not the recommendations, not the weight of your wallet plays a role. It doesn't work like that.
Absolutely, Gopi. This is not a game of wallet, my dear friends. If it is only about wallet, then each millionaire would be Mr. India, Mr. Universe, Mr. Earth, and Mr. World, I could say. So let's underline these. Whenever there is a successful model, there is a history, a bunch of hard work, a bunch of failures, and probably lots of frustration. So let us talk about that moment, Gopi, where you felt that no, it's not for me, I would not continue. That moment.
Okay, so to talk about it, people who had known me for years right now, they would know how consistent and how dedicated I am with my dreams and ambition. I have never felt giving up on anything. Giving up is not a language for a successful person. I have encountered a lot of situations where I felt it was difficult, but I have never thought I should give up or quit these dreams. One circumstances that made me feel it is difficult to go through this is when I get to face the people from LGBT community, they tend to brand you as one of LGBT community just because you are in the profession, just because you post photos in the swimwear, just because you do photo shoots with a bare body, just because you flaunt six packs, it doesn't mean that you are willing to go to any extent to sustain in this industry. That's not true. So that
Wow.
moment, I really felt it was difficult, but later I have evolved myself. I have grown the thick skin for that. To
You were
Okay.
lost, Gopi.
I
Yeah.
thought you lost. Okay.
No. Connection was lost. Okay. So, I don't know why, but Gopi has raised a very good point. When a female tend to practice anything in fashion industry or modeling or pageant industry, she tends and ends about her character. And when a male is trying to do something creative in this fashion industry, it happens to be this. So, what happened to you exactly? How did you overcome that tag from you? I mean, people used to tag and people still tag, but how do you deal?
Okay, the one thing that I would like to mention here is the way people brand me as a gay or a bisexual, which is really not true. However, they continue to brand me as one. And I stopped bothering about it. Being a gay or bisexual is not a bad thing. I do support
Absolutely.
LGBT. I do support the pride. Love has no gender. I strongly believe in that. But it boils down to the personal interest, right? I cannot propose a woman just by sending a naked picture of mine, correct? But that's what happens with me. They tend to propose me sending their body pictures, which doesn't work with me. I just simply go ahead and block them.
Oh
But
my God.
I do have great friends, brothers who are in LGBT, and they still respect my space. I give them the respect that they need. I really, appreciate the way they are. As long as they respect my space, I do respect them.
I think, to be very true, we all are trying to be modern. We are trying to, talk about our modernity, but still we are very, very narrow while discussing this kind of issues. And still, these kind of issues are a part of gossip, which is not at all acceptable. So I think Gopi has made his point very clear. He has a great respect for each community, but he would definitely expect some, some respect, some support, being Mr. India. I mean, that's what he mentioned here. Gopi, I have got a question on my mobile while I posted for you. Somebody, 2-3 people have sent the same message. They want to know your routine. What is your day routine? That's what they are very curious about. What is your routine?
Okay, so my workout and the fitness, the diet and the fitness plays a major role in everyday's routine. I start my day with, I start with a glass of ACV, apple cider vinegar, to neutralize the pH in our stomach. I'll get into science a bit. I don't know if that might sound a little boring. Then I start my day with cardio. I do a cardio, keep up my heartbeat rate for 30 minutes at least by doing skipping. During the lockdown times, I do skipping. I have a punching bag at home. I do box at home. So I start with that and I finish my breakfast after that, after the workout, the cardio. The breakfast is basically the protein meal with fruits and nuts. That that has been my breakfast for say 7+ years. So that's the constant breakfast. I don't hog on idli, sambar, or the typical regional breakfast and all. I do take healthy breakfast because I believe that breakfast plays an important role in a day's nutrition. And thereafter I do my work, and my lunch has high protein meal. It's basically chicken or any other non-veg. I'm a complete non-vegetarian, and I eat majorly it is chicken and eggs, and evening I do weight training. I do have a couple of dumbbells and few weights at home during the lockdown. Otherwise, I hit the gym, and I end my day with a shower. That's the routine that I think people would be curious to know. But I tend to come across the diet chart questions from me. I believe a diet chart is not a universal thing. It doesn't work for everyone. So I can
Very nice.
Yeah, so I cannot just share my chart to everyone and ask them to follow. And people blindly think that whatever I do, if they follow it, they would become, the same way.
Well said.
Yeah.
Well
So
said.
that
Because
chart-
we got some nutritionist on the show before you, and he also mentioned the same thing 2-3 times, that every body type is different and everybody's diet chart has to be different. Wonderful. Now a question is, Amit, just a second, we'll come on your question. A question is, how many black coffee a day and how many green teas a day? That's a question.
So I used to drink green teas a lot before. I will tell you what I take these days. I take coffee, filter coffee made out of slim milk, zero fat milk, with stevia. A lot of people might not know what stevia is. Stevia is an natural sweetener. Yeah, it's a replacement for your sugar. So I take coffee with slim milk and stevia. And green teas, like now what I'm having, like once or twice a day. So I restrict myself to coffee twice and tea twice. But for people, they can go up to 4 green teas a day. That helps. 4 green teas a day. Excuse me. So that helps a lot in alleviating your blood pressure and flushing out the toxins from your body, and a lot more things. Coffee, yes, it helps you to boost your metabolism, increase your focus, helps you to stay focused in your gym. So I try to take coffee before and after workout, and whenever I feel sluggish, I start my day with a coffee. So coffee is a must for me.
A must. And what about the brands? If you don't mind sharing your coffee brand or your green tea brand with the viewers, would be a great help to them.
So green tea, I have people who live in Ooty and Kodaikanal. It's a hill station in South India. They send me the raw green leaves, which I use. I see tea out of it. I like it raw. And coffee, I've been trying anything that is called coffee. So I wouldn't say I have a unique. I wouldn't say I have a unique brand to stick to, universal brand to stick to. I always try whatever it is called as coffee. So currently I'm using brew. Brew, because the previous one I got a little bored of. Yeah, so I started using brew. Because the problem with the coffee is you tend to get bored of the flavor. So you need to keep changing. You cannot stick to one single brand and make you feel all good after having a coffee.
Absolutely. You know what? You mentioned one thing so adamantly over the screen, that you cannot be foodie. If it comes to the a diet plan, then you have a very boring diet plan about your breakfast every day for last few years. Even you are very fixed with your lunch pattern. So I think it needs a courage to follow something. So I think if you want to be Gopi, then you have to follow Gopi's way. I think now it is time for Amit's question. अमित जी, मैं आपके क्वेश्चन को पढ़ने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. Where are you, Amit? Okay, hold on. Amit, you can write your question once again over here because I cannot find. No, अभी मैं आपको ऐड करने के लिए थोड़ा सा टाइम है. Your bestie Ashish is giving you hello, right? So this is all about This is about your food routine. Now let's come to the very important question: protein intake. Very important: protein intake and supplements. Gopi.
Okay, so there are vast variety of supplements available in the fitness industry when it comes to bodybuilding, when it comes to fitness, when it comes to general fitness. I wouldn't support using all the supplements. However, I use protein when, though I eat chicken every day, eggs every day, taking protein plays an important role because I wouldn't be able to supply protein throughout the day, which is very important for me. When I work out twice, I cannot afford to lose my muscle. So I'll have to work out, I'll have to stick to a continuous protein supply to my body. So in that cases, when I, circumstances like going out for shoot, going out for events, I wouldn't be able to carry the chicken and hog on, sitting there. I can just sip on my protein and maintain the constant protein supply to my body. So I do take protein, and I make sure I meet all the micronutrients and macronutrients in a day. I do take a multivitamin, and I do take a fish oil that has been into my lifestyle for say 5 years ago, 5 years and above. So I recommend people, not just who are into fitness, every common people should have a multivitamin and a fish oil, because if you are concerned about your longevity of your health, that's something that I would totally recommend. There are colorful supplements available out there in the industry, which I do not take, which is not really needed. When you have a proper food diet, when I say diet, people think that the diet is nothing but starving. Starving is not dieting. Dieting is eating clean, keeping your stomach full all the time with the clean foods, with the right foods. But people tend to misunderstand, saying, I'm dieting and I'm not going to eat, I'm going to skip the meal, which is not really true. You're going to hit your bones, you're going to hit your tendons, your hair, everything is going to show up very bad when you keep your body starving. So to answer the question about supplements, multivitamins, fish oil, caffeine in the form of coffee is what I take, and the protein powder. Rest all is, I don't think, is not really needed unless you are appearing for the Olympia competition, which is like 1 in a million.
Absolutely. Now you have made it very clear that your routine is very simple, like your simple routine, your coffee, your green tea, your workout, your cardio, your getting up time, everything. Now one question is there: how about your mental health? One of your fans has asked, when you are not feeling good, feeling low, what exactly do you do to come back on the track?
Okay, so talking about the mental health, I would say a few key points that I have practiced in my experience in my life. One, surround yourself with the positive people. Remove the negative people immediately when you sense negativity from them. There are always critics around you. Whatever you do, it cannot satisfy them. So do not take the criticism into your head. And working out boosts your mood for sure. That's going to give you an euphoric feeling. That's going to help you flush out all the stress in your body, in your everyday life. These are the few key points that I can think of right now. When I talk about the anger, the depression, the anxiety that most of the people facing right now, I would like to tell one thing, that it is all in your mind.
Gopi, I find you my partner. Like, you talk like a trainer. Like, we are personality trainer and you talk like us. So I think me and Gopi are doing partnership. So now onwards we will do the mind trainings together, right? Wonderful.
Yeah. So
I like to one sentence. Sorry?
What I was saying was everything is in your mind. What your mind believes your body will achieve. If you think you're sad,
Absolutely.
you're gonna spend the rest of the day sad. And people tend to resort on a lot of drugs, lot of pharmaceutical drugs, the banned drugs, or the alcohol, the smoking, everything as a factor that helps them relieve the stress, relieve the depression, which is not really true. It's going to put you back into the loop. Once your high goes off, you get back into the depression, and you tend to take more drugs next time. So that's not something that is going to help you get out of the mental health. If you are already experiencing problems in your mental health, seek the expert advice. I'm not an expert, because I would say I do get angry soon. Though the anger, I'm a short-tempered person, it is very short-lived. I do not keep dragging it. So that way I am controlling, I'm trying to master it. If I master it, I would be able to say, I'm an expert, you come to me. I'm not an expert, but seek an expert consultation, and try to get out of it. Keep yourself around the positive people. You are judged by the friends you have, so do hang out with the positive people. So that's something that I can talk about the mental health.
Right. One fan of you has been asking from beginning. They are really interested to know your skin routine. How do you look after your skin?
My skin. Okay. People tend to not easily believe if I say I drink 8 liters of water a day.
8
liters of water a day.
8 liters?
Yes. But
I am not able to finish 4.
If people have watched me in the recent interview, I would have emphasized how important it is to drink water, keep yourself hydrated. I do not recommend 8 liters for everyone. Not everybody's kidney is used to process so much of amount of water to expel out of your body. But keep yourself hydrated. Even if you're not feeling thirsty, keep yourself hydrated, which is very, very important, because the thirst is something only when you're dehydrated you get the sign. So before feeling thirsty, you should keep yourself hydrated. Other than that, meeting all the micronutrients and the macronutrients a day in the form of clean diet helps my skin. And skin care, on topical skin care, which I do, is almost zero. I apply nothing. I apply beard wax, hair wax, and a perfume. That's the only thing that I use.
I'm waiting for your lessons of CTMS, cleanser, toner, moisturizer, sunscreen,
I know.
beard. That's why I was waiting for your tutorial. What did you do? You broke my heart.
I know. So that's what people tend to think, that I do so much CTM, right? Cleanser, toner, moisturizer routine. I do not follow all that.
Not following, right? Okay. See, so honest. I mean, it is really difficult to be such an honest, actually. Otherwise, to maintain your status, you have to use names of brand. That I am a this brand. You are being really honest, Gopi. Really honest guy. Okay, there are a few quick questions for you. Number 1, Gopi on the ramp or Gopi on the TV screen? Where do you want to see yourself?
I want to see myself on the screens.
Screens, yeah. Number 2, right. Gopi as a model, Gopi as an actor.
I wouldn't see any difference between modeling and acting. I would say maybe the classification of audience is different, but to me every day is a new day, and the performance is going to be new for me. It's going to be a learning for me. So I would give same importance to both the things. Yeah.
Okay, Gopi a good boyfriend, Gopi a good human.
I'm a good human.
You broke hearts of so many. I'm so sorry to say. Alright, your favorite brand of perfume?
Okay, favorite brand of perfume, I use Polo and Gentleman by Givenchy. Recently, I started using a tobacco flavored Midnight Oud. from Dubai. It is really good, and I started using it. So my
Wonderful.
favorite, I would say, Givenchy. Yeah.
Givenchy. Givenchy is everybody's favorite. I mean, it's good. It's good brand to be very good.
Right.
Okay, your hair wax. The name of your hair wax.
It's Bedhead.
Okay. The name of your beard wax.
Same.
Same. All right. Gopi with beard, without beard.
I think I love it with the beard because
With
it's
the
my
beard.
true personality. Yeah.
All right. Your favorite actor.
In South India, I like Rajnikant, Vijay Singh,
Uh-huh.
Vijay and Ajit.
Uh-huh.
And in Bollywood, I like Shah Rukh Khan and Amir Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan
Yes.
and Amir
Don't ask
Khan.
me about the
Okay.
movies. Yeah.
No, not at all. Okay. Why everybody is Rajni fan? Everybody in South is Rajni fan.
He is a mass actor. He's got that style, the statement. He has become a face of Southern cinemas.
Oh, really? I mean, even in like here also we have a lot Rajni fans. I mean, a lot. He is a brand.
Rajini fans are there everywhere, universal, I would say.
Yeah, absolutely. It is like air. Air is everywhere. Rajni
Everywhere.
fans are everywhere.
Exactly.
Absolutely. Okay. Are you in relationship or not? A
No,
question.
I'm not. No, I'm not.
You are not. No, boring. All right. Day or night? Are you a night lover or a day lover?
I'm a night lover. I am a
Okay.
nocturnal person, so I love night.
Right. Your sun sign?
My sunshine is Libra.
Libran. All right. You are Libran. All right. Gopi, one thing you can change from your past. What would you love to change?
Okay, so the decision that I took to become a model was not really at my early stage of life. I did not know. So life is all about experimenting or exploring, I would say. So it took some time for me to explore my own self. I won't say I regret, but I feel if it would have been little early, it would have been even better.
Absolutely. So you want to go back and change the time, right?
Right.
So you wanna make yourself a early model because you feel it is little late.
Exactly.
Right. Okay. Gopi tall, dark, handsome, or Gopi a talented guy?
Gopi is a handsome, talented guy.
Oh my God, so smart, so self-like. You are so, I think, presence of mind is so nice of you, Gopi. Okay, one of your fans asking to show your biceps. One of your fans. What is the current status?
Current status is all pumped off because of
It is very nice.
lockdown.
It is
time.
pumped up.
Pumped off.
Wonderful, wonderful. Right. So, Gopi, you have portrayed different sector of modeling, pageant industry, hard work, food, discipline, fitness, a lot. Even some by default trouble with this industry. Some of the negative dark side of the industry. But now I really want to ask you something. How do you assist or how can you be helpful to aspiring models? All those who wants to be at your place. See, you are living a dream life of so many. What exactly do you want them to do?
Okay. So everybody who is watching and who is going to watch from the archive, I would like to tell something for all the aspiring models and actors. There are a few things that you really need to stick on to. One, you have to stay grounded, stay humble, which is very important. The more higher you go, the more grounded you have to be. The more grounded you are, the more higher you will go. That is very basic. Because
Wonderful.
when you don't know how to handle the stardust, then you're not gonna, prolong there. You're gonna fall.
Then you are in dust. No more star.
Yeah, then you're no more star. And second thing, you will have to stop looking down on anyone. Do not look down on anyone. Because you will never know in this industry, you may have to end up working with them the very next day. because this industry is so potential to make anybody famous overnight. So do not look down on anyone, right?
See,
Number
well
three,
said, Gopi. Very well said. See, we do this mistake while we get little success. Like, so Gopi has made a point to all of you, my dear friend. In your good time, do not make enemies because tomorrow you may have to join hands with them to work. That's what he mentioned. Well said, Gopi. Well said.
right? And number three, start building confidence. Start facing people. Do not run from fears. That's the basic thing that you will have to do if you are aspiring to become anything, not just a model. So, three basic
Are you
things.
a reader?
I'm sorry.
Do you read books? Are you a reader? Do you read books?
I do
Then
post
why?
books for photo shoots, but I do not read.
But your knowledge is quite like bookish. So, like, who is inspiring you? I mean, who is there behind your mindset? Any mentor? Any coach?
Okay, so I think having an icon or a mentor is something that will limit your creativity. I would say your
Gopi,
real
don't
life.
do this. I'll be unemployed, Gopi. Don't do this.
No,
You are
I'm just talking about myself. I'm just talking about myself because keeping a mentor for yourself for everything is going to limit your creativity. I would say my own real life experiences, that's the best thing I think that has taught me a lot. So whatever I have said is out of my experience. It's not something that I read or a hearsay or learned from the mentor. I do have inspiring personalities who I look up to, who I take clues from, but I do not copy them. I have my own identity. I improve and work on my identity rather than following somebody's footsteps, because that is going to limit your creativity.
Wow. So what Gopi wants to say, in our trainer's language, it is said, keep your own rule book. See, in our language, there's a phrase called, every individual should have their own rule book where the Bible is written by you, right? So I found you you are quite very clear about what you want to do. But now I want to know about your next move. What will be your next move, Gopi?
Okay, so I'm currently focusing on the international beauty pageant that is going to be happening somewhere in the later part of this year or beginning of the next year. That's going to happen in Miami, Florida, in the United States of America. It is the Master of Misters. I'm going to represent India from Tamil Nadu, and I'm already proud about it. And I'm going to focus on that and work hard for it. And with all of you guys' support and blessings, I think I will definitely make it.
Wow. How do you see South models? Like, modeling industry is mostly governed by Punjabi, North, right? Mm-hmm. If you just calculate the winners, most of them are from North. Quite a lot from our state too. But how do you see the future of South in modeling industry?
I strongly believe South India has a vast scope for anybody who is aspiring to become a model or an actor. Tamil film industry, to be in specific, Malayalam, Kannada, Telugu, we have vast classifications in the film industry, which is going to pave way for a lot of aspiring models and actors. I do not really believe that, I do not see that the India is classified as North and South when it comes to model, because I have set an example. I've made a winner from the South India, attending a pageant in the North, but organizer from North India. So, I think it's something the way you look at it.
Wonderful.
As an Indian model, I do not look at it as a North Indian model.
And now you go to Bollywood. So you will go to Maharashtra. So you are gonna do once again Now you're entry between Maharashtra.
I have given auditions for a couple of web series in Amazon Prime. That is going to be in Hindi in Goa.
Wow.
So when I see all that, I do not think that I am restricting myself to South India as a South Indian model. I see myself as an Indian model.
Do you speak Hindi?
I can speak, but that is really funny. You wouldn't like it. My
ओके
Hindi is
एक बार
broken.
बात करते हैं हिंदी में गोपी एक बार बात करते हैं मुझे कुछ पूछो आप हिंदी में एक बार तो कोशिश करनी पड़ेगी बिकॉज वेदर आई कैन सी योर वेब सीरीज और नॉट आई हैव टू डिसाइड इट नाउ
No, please don't do that. No,
I
please
have
don't do
to. I have to tease my power. I mean, I have to tease you. Otherwise, people will look at your only good side. They will have no memory.
that. They have got enough memories, trust me. Hindi, मुझको हिंदी नहीं आता.
तो कब सीखोगे? कब
सीख
सीखोगे
रहा
गोपी?
हूँ. सीख रहा हूँ.
सीख रहा हूँ, right? Okay, not bad, Gopi. I think you will learn it so easily, quite easily, right?
Yeah.
So we are going to see Gopi very soon in Weather web series. Okay, how about what do you feel about this reality show? You are fit to join quite a lot.
If you believe so, yes, I do think the same. As long as I get an opportunity, I would look into
Like,
reality.
where do you want to see yourself? Which show are you fancy for?
As I said, I'm totally focused on my international pageant. Any other good project that comes in my way is something I would definitely welcome, and I will look into it when it comes, across the bridge when it comes. I am not really looking at any specific reality show and working towards it. Not right now at the moment.
Okay. But if in case you get a chance, would you like to go on which show? Like, if in case you are given selection.
I have heard people DMing me from Gujarat, from Maharashtra, to apply for Splitsville.
Splitsvilla.
Yeah.
Splitsvilla. Yeah, that is good. Big Boss is good. Then India's got that that the Courageous show. That also you can do. You can do a lot. I mean, you can fit anywhere. You are fit for anything in reality show. But I think you suit good in Big Boss also. If you are ready to be a, I think you can fight.
Yeah, ready to fight physically and mentally, huh?
Absolutely right. See, Gopi, first and foremost, it was honor connecting with you because you are really a person. Like, yeah, fear factor. Thanks, Nikhil. Fear factor. I was trying to recall. Yeah. So, Gopi, it was wonderful talking to an honest guy. You talked about every aspect of your life so openly, so honestly. And I really feel that you have a great future waiting for you. Believe me. Because future belongs to those who dream it. Right? So, acha, no Big Boss. Your fans are not letting you go for Big Boss dear. So, sorry about it. Okay, Gopi sir, आप Big Boss में नहीं जा सकते. Right? So,
Yeah.
no Big Boss in Hindi, please. Okay.
Yeah.
Right?
See, they are scared of my Hindi. I told you.
Absolutely. They are scared of your Hindi and So, Gopi, it was wonderful talking to you, but make sure that we have one winner from Gujarat also. Rubaru का एक winner Gujarat से भी था last year 2018. Who is a very good friend of mine at this point of time. He is also in our city. So what I mean to say, you have people to see in Gujarat, in Surat, and currently I'm talking to you. So let us connect hands for your upcoming project. But you need quite a lot fans from Gujarat. So this is Pooja Vyas in your favor. Keep in touch, dear. Do connect because Gujarat is a big industry, and if in case I'm planning any of the pageant, I would love you to join whether as a jury or a groomer or a face, and do connect for upcoming projects. But I really want you to win international pageant and make us proud.
Right. Absolutely, I'm going to give my best. I'm going to put my heart and soul and work for it and bring the
And
best
just
back
a
to our
last
country.
question, Gopi.
Yeah,
Who
go ahead.
is your favorite model? The last one. Who is your favorite model?
Okay, so everybody who's been following me knows that Dinesh Mohan sir from Delhi.
Oh my God. Dinesh Mohan sir is a very good, like, he was in love with us.
Okay, I know.
Such a nice guy. Such a nice guy. Okay. And somebody like young, pretty young.
Somebody- Okay, so other models who I like are John Abraham,
Oh, lovely.
Arjun Rampal.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And I would still say he is young. Milind Soman.
Milind is mind blowing. I mean, Milind, nobody